In mid-April 2023, while our camera team was on their way to observe baby plovers, they spotted this beautiful blue bird coming out of the tree hole. As they climbed up the tree to investigate, it was another bird nest. While the camera team went back to set up the trail camera to monitor the brown flycatcher's nest, they heard a baby bird crying from the nest where the team previously spotted a blue bird's nest. As they climbed up the tree to examine, one of the eggs had hatched successfully. While they observed the nest from the distance, the mother blue bird was going in and out of the nest, presumably to feed the baby bird. The mother would land next to our trail camera every now and then for a quick rest before going back out to search for more insects to feed the baby bird. As you can see, this is a very beautiful bird. So, the question is, what kind of bird is it? This particular mother bird is unique. It has markings or features that I have not seen before. I searched various bird databases and there was not a single picture of it. The locals often called this type of bird a lazy bird because it doesn't really build a nest. It just finds a tree hole similar to this one and use it as a nest. When the eggs are hatched, it does not carry away the eggshells either. The best that I could trace this bird to is a roller bird. Roller birds are some of the most beautiful birds on the planet. Roller birds often live and breed in Africa, Asia, and Europe. Rollers are carnivorous, feeding on animals ranging from small insects to small vertebrates. Roller birds have an average life expectancy of about 10 years in the wild and much longer in captivity. As for roller mother bird, she's busy feeding and keeping the newly hatched baby bird company. Another egg was also hatched the following morning. Both the mother and father were busy feeding the two babies. Later that afternoon, the third egg also hatched. Even though the male was assisting with the feeding of the baby birds, the female was ultimately the one to decide which baby bird to hand over the food. This process was to ensure that food was equally distributed among the baby birds. As a public public disclaimer, this video is made possible by photos and videos from my team as well as photos and videos from other professional photographers where I purchased them legally to produce this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.